Alright guys, so my wife is sewing a bird that just got I don't know if it's got attacked by a hawk, I don't know if it ran into something, but it's got a big, huge hole there. Ooh, oh wow. Yeah, that's nothing. She already sewed part of it. It was a hole, it was like a U. It was a hole like a U. Ooh. Not looking. Oh gosh. Oh. Oh. Guys, this is a big hole. His spout inside the sack where he put the food, I saw it. It's good. It's just the skin. No, puppy, no, wait. It's just the skin. I think it was a hawk because I saw the birds leave, but they always do that, you know. But then they all went in when I opened, and they're like a half hour later, I see more birds coming. And then like an hour later, I see this guy is like flying by really high. I'm like, wait a minute. One bird, right, flying by really high. And I'm like, vamos. So I guess when I went around, he went in really fast. And then another bird came in. And then he's hiding over there. He was hiding over there. It's okay, puppy. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right, Papa. It's okay.
Remember, we gotta leave a part where he can drain. So we can't like. Is he okay? Hey, turn him up. Look.
It's okay. It's okay. He do that because he's in pain. It's okay, Papa. It's okay, Papa. No, but don't do it all the way. Just do half, and then that way you cut it, and you can do it. You don't have to do that. You don't even have to do the knot.
I like the knot. It gives me it gives it a solid.
Yeah, but now how are you going to tie it?
I always tie it. See if I can get it through. There we go. We got some drain ones.
Huh?
I left a couple of draining ones.
Okay, how about this side?
I couldn't get that side down.
This side's done?
Yeah, I'm just doing them. Yeah, here we go. Here's another side here.
Ooh! Wait, let me show. Wait, open it. Look at this, guys. But this was like huge. It was a huge hole.
Okay, baby. How's he doing? Turn him up.
He's doing good. He's doing all right. They just close their eyes because she's in pain.
Okay.
It's okay, Papa. It's okay. Oh.
That's a good piece right there.
Oh, it's very stuffy. No, I think you put too much.
No, I didn't. I'm at the edge. It's just a hair.
It's very stuffer than I am. me show you.
Oh, baby, I'm late for work already.
Oh, God.
And I'm sweating like a...
Okay, here, let me lift it up. Oh, but then you can see it.
I got blood everywhere. Okay, lift him up.
Yeah, but then the camera. Wait, hold on.
If your arms get tired, let me know.
No, I'm good. Hey, Papa, you're tough. That bird is so tough.
I know, baby.
I know. It's okay. It's okay.
I might get some of the feathers, but they'll fall out.
No, we don't have to worry about that. As long as he eats and drinks and the water don't come out, we're fine.
Okay, I got one more.
Oh,
One more that I know of.
is that too much?
No.
No? So Crawford gave the belt to
Gave the bell back.
to Canelo?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hey, prove a point. Because that was Canelo's division.
Okay.
That's nice he did that.
Can you check and see if we got some drainage points?
Yeah, Mama?
Yeah.
You do that. I don't. Okay, so
We
up
should have
here.
a
Look up here.
drainage.
Look up here. Wait. Look up here.
Yeah, we're good. Yeah, that's drainage. That's drainage.
You sure?
We have to leave some of it open, otherwise it won't drain. It'll give him infection. You gotta keep spraying it.
All right, spray that. Because this it will make it scar too.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Alright, if he needs more, you let me know. You can't let him out. Don't let him out for a few days.
I'm not letting him out.
Take your pills and take care of your birds. Love on your birds. And clean your coop. And keep everything clean.
Hey, get out of there, man.
Woo! Bye.
Get